Díomh gach duine an seachtain seo táimid foghlaim faoi Teilefís. This week we're going to be learning about television. Ach dús. First, an gcuitheann leat. Do you remember? An gcuitheann leat na focal an seachtain seo caite. An gcuitheann leat na focal sin. Buan trial as. Try it. Buan trial as na focal a rá. Try saying the words. Céard faoi na cín seo. What about these ones? Cé bhéad focal atá ólas agat. How many words do you know? Buan trial as na focal a rá. Try saying the words. Agus na cín sin. An gcuitheann leat na cín sin. Buan trial as na focal a rá. Okay, seo díomh na freagarí. Here are the answers. Féacham An seachtain seo caite bhí muid ag foghlaim déach mé I watched déach mé Ach anois tá muid ag foghlaim féacham I watch all of the time. This is our I'm sure loireach, our continuous present tense. I watch this a lot, not just once, a lot, maybe every day, maybe every week. Féacham Féacham planet Earth. I watch planet Earth. Is clór nádúr It's a nature program. Is clór nádúr Bíonn sé RTE2 ag a seachta clog. Bíonn sé. It is on regularly. If you're a very Dublin person, you might say it does be on, but that's not really proper English. It does be on. Bíonn sé RTE a dó ag a seacht a clog, 7 o'clock. Bíonn sé RTE a dó ag a seacht a clog. It's on RTE2 at 7 o'clock. Ceapam go bhfuil sé an himúil ach uaireanta bíonn sé rómhrónach. Now let's look at our little add-on words there. On, very. An himúil, very interesting. Ró, too. Rómhrónach, too sad. Ceapam, I think. Ceapam go bhfuil sé an himúil ach uaireanta bíonn sé rómhrónach. I think it's very interesting, but sometimes it's too sad. Ceapam go bhfuil sé an himúil ach uaireanta bíonn sé rómhrónach. Taithníonn na scéalta faoi anmhaithe go mór liom. An seachtain seo caite d'fhoghlaim mír haithin na scéalta liom. Haithin na scéalta liom. I liked them. But anois taithníonn. That's our I'm sure loireach. Féacham, bíonn, ceapam, taithníonn. It means I like it all the time. Taithníonn na scéalta faoi anmhaithe go mór liom. I really like the stories about animals. Taithníonn na scéalta faoi anmhaithe go mór liom. Féachan mo dheadaí Féachan. In the last one we had féach I watch. Féach an mayadi, my dad watches. Or we could say féach an tú, you watch. Féach an she watches. Féach an sé, he watches. Féach an siad, they watch. Féach an mayadi RTE News. My dad watches RTE News. Is clór nuachta é? It's a news program. Is clór nuachta é? Bíonn sé RTE a haon ag a sé a clog. It is on RTE1 at 6 o'clock. A clog, o'clock. Bíonn sé RTE a haon ag a sé a clog. Ceapam, there's that again. That tells us we're talking about me. Ceapam. Ceapam go bhfuil sé róla dránach. Too boring. Ceapam go bhfuil sé róla dránach. Ach ceapan, so look, we were ceapam when we were talking about me, but now we're back to ceapan mayadi, because we're saying my dad thinks. Ach ceapan mayadi go bhfuil sé an himúil. Very interesting. Agus a ríis féachar an focal beag ró. 2. Róla dránach. Too boring. Agus an focal beag eile an. An himúil. Very interesting. Ceapam go bhfuil sé róla dránach, ach ceapan mayadi go bhfuil sé an himúil. Taithníonn an nuacht go mór le mayadi. Agus a ríis, it's not hahan, like last week, because hahan would mean I liked it in the past. I enjoyed it in the past. But Daddy enjoys this all the time, so taithníonn an nuacht go mór le mayadi. Dad enjoys the news regularly. Féach air. Now here's another change. Féachum, I watch. Féachan, Daddy, féachan tú, féachan sé, Daddy, you, he watches. Féachamid, let's have a look at the family up here in the corner. We watch. Féachamid his dark materials. Féachamid his dark materials. Is clór fantasíochta é? You can probably guess what this means. It's a fantasy program. Is clór fantasíochta é? Bíonn sé BBC ag a láthúir tar éis a seacht. Láthúir, half an hour. Láthúir tar éis, half an hour past. Bíonn sé BBC ag a láthúir tar éis a seacht. It's on BBC at 7:30. Bíonn sé BBC ag a láthúir tar éis a seacht. Ceapam go bhfuil sé an corrachach. Very exciting. A ceapan me drethar beag, little brother, go bhfuil sé róscan rúil. Too scary. Ceapam go bhfuil sé an corrachach. I think it's really exciting. A ceapan me drethar beag, go bhfuil sé róscan rúil. But my little brother thinks it's too scary. Ceapam go bhfuil sé an corrachach. A ceapan me drethar beag, go bhfuil sé róscan rúil. Taithníonn na héifachtaí speisialta go mór linn. A ríis taithníonn, not hahan in the past, taithníonn. We're enjoying it regularly. And in Nish we say go mór linn. because it's we that are enjoying them. It's not me, it's not Dad, it's we. Tatníonn na héifachtaí speisialta go mór linn. Féachan mo grifur air. Mo grifur. In the last one we had Madrahar, my brother. Mo grifur, my sister. Féachan mo grifur air. Home and away. Is Subal a. It's a soap program. And Subal is the Irish for soap. Is Subal a. It's a soap. Bíonn sé UTV ag a cathrú tar éis. Cathrú, quarter, tar éis, after. Bíonn sé UTV ag a cathrú tar éis a cúig. It's on UTV at 5:15. Bíonn sé UTV ag a cathrú tar éis a cúig. Ceapann mo grufór go bhfuil sé amhas, ach ceapam go bhfuil sé uafásach. Arís, ceapann. That's for a person, it's for you, it's for he, it's for she, it's for them. Ceapann mo grufór. My sister thinks. But then down here we have ceap. That's just for me. Ceap. I think. Ceapann mo grufór go bhfuil sé amhas. My sister thinks it's brilliant. A ceapam go bhfuil sé uafásach. But I think it's awful. Ceapann mo grufór go bhfuil sé amhas. A ceapam go bhfuil sé uafásach. Tatníonn na haistóirí go mór le mo grufór. My sister really enjoys the actors. Tatníonn na haistóirí go mór le mo grufór. Féachamíd air. We're back to the family, so we're amíd for we. Féachamíd air. The Simpsons. We watch The Simpsons. Is cartoon a. It's a cartoon. Last week you learned how to say something similar. Scanan Biocana. Animated movie. So here we could put our Irish together like Lego and we could say Is clór Biocana a. It's an animated program. But I've chosen here to say Is cartoon a. It's a cartoon. Bíonn sé sky ag a lathúr tar éis a sé. Lathúr, half hour. Tar éis, after. Bíonn sé sky ag a lathúr tar éis a sé. It's on Sky at 6:30. Ceapamíd go bhfuil sé an granmhar. Look at our amíd again to tell us we're talking about we. Ceapamíd go bhfuil sé an granmhar. We think it's very funny. And again, our focal beag an to tell us it means very. Ceapamíd go bhfuil sé an granmhar. Tatníonn na clasa go mór linn. We really enjoy the jokes. And again, it's not lum, because that would be me. It's not le mo yadi or le mo grifór, because that would mean talking about Dad or my sister. It's linn, which means us. Tatníonn na clasa go mór linn. Okay, Anish, on ceann Dernach, the last one. Féachan mo wami air. Agus arís. Féach an. An is our ending for you, somebody else, he, she, they. Féach is for me, and féachamíd is for we. Féachan mo wami air. Midsummer Murders. My mammy watches Midsummer Murders. Is clór rún díver a. It's a mystery program. Is chlor rún díver é? That's a tricky one, so try saying that for yourself. Rún díver. Rún díver. Is chlor rún díver é? Bíonn sé RTE a hain ag a cathrú con a hocht. Cathrú, quarter. But now instead of taréis we're saying con. Quarter to. Bíonn sé RTE a hain ag a cathrú con a hocht. It's on RTE1 at 7:45. Bíonn sé RTE a hain ag a cathrú con a hocht. Ceapan mawami go bhfuil sé anhimúil a ceapam go bhfuil sé roach. Again ar an ceapan mawami go bhfuil sé anhimúil. My mammy thinks it's very interesting. A ceap me a ceapam go bhfuil sé roach. I think it's too weird. Taithníonn na scéalta go mór le mowami. My mom really enjoys the stories. Taithníonn na scéalta go mór le mowami. Okay, sin é, that's it. Slán.